In high-risk environments, safety depends on constant attention, but supervisors can't watch every zone, every shift, every second, and when missing PPE goes unnoticed, even briefly, the risk is immediate. Traditionally, manual PPE monitoring meant violations went unnoticed until after a dangerous incident. And that's why PPE violation alerts exist, to provide a fail-safe when human supervision falls short. So what is it exactly? Well, PPE violation alerts use AI-powered video analytics to detect when your staff aren't wearing appropriate protective gear as soon as they're spotted on your cameras. Coram can identify missing hard hats, high visibility vests, safety glasses, and face coverings based on your unique requirements. The point is, instead of reviewing footage after an incident, your team is alerted immediately while there's still time to act. So how does it work? Well, inside Coram, PPE violation alerts are part of the alerts workflow. You start by setting up an alert from the alert section. You can select PPE violations and choose the cameras to monitor, define regions of interest if needed, select the PPE to enforce, set alert schedules, and choose who should be notified. And once enabled, your existing cameras monitor areas where PPE is required, such as loading docks, factory floors, or construction zones. Now, Coram's AI analyzes every frame of your live video feeds and checks whether people entering those areas are wearing the required protective equipment. When a violation is detected, Coram triggers an alert within seconds. Each alert includes the camera, location, timestamp, and a short video clip, giving supervisors instant, actionable context. Alerts can be delivered via email, push notification, SMS, or on-site audio messages, which broadcast over connected speakers. And it's good to keep in mind all PPE violations appear directly in the alerts feed alongside other safety and security events. From there, teams can quickly review the clip and take action, and every detection is logged automatically, creating a searchable audit log of PPE violations across cameras, locations, and time periods. If you would like to learn more about PPE violation alerts or see it in action, you can visit our website or book a demo using one of the links below. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you next time.